Hi everyone and welcome. I'm Mr. S. I'm a primary school teacher here to help you with some of the tricky things in school. Today we're going to learn how to use the semicolon. Now this is the perfect piece of punctuation that upgrades your writing and really shows off your knowledge of English grammar. It can be used for a few reasons in English, but we're only going to be looking at one way today, connecting two independent clauses. So it can be really helpful if you think of semicolons like a little bridge. If you write two completely independent, standalone clauses, then a semicolon can be used to join them together. So let's take a look at a few examples here. First, I've got, I love reading books, full stop. It helps me learn, full stop. Both of these are independent clauses. They make sense on their own and they can stand alone by themselves. But they are both about the same sort of thing. I love reading books. It's similar to it helps me learn. And that means what I can do is I can remove the full stop, the capital letter, change that to a lowercase I, and I can put in a semicolon here. Now I've still got the same sentence. I love reading books. It helps me learn. But instead of using a conjunction or a comma where it shouldn't be, I can put in my semicolon, and now I've got I love reading books, it helps me learn. My two separate clauses have been bridged in the middle by my semicolon. Now let's look at another example. It was raining. We decided to stay indoors. Both of those clauses work by themselves. It was raining works by itself. We decided to stay indoors works by itself. But they're about a similar thing, and so what I can do again is I can remove the full stop, change my capital to a lowercase, and put in a semicolon. But be careful, there's a catch. Now, the two clauses must make sense on their own. It was raining works on its own, and we decided to stay indoors works on its own, and also they must be related to each other. It was raining, so we decided to stay indoors. They're about the same thing. They're talking about something similar. Now, let's try looking at this one together here. My dog loves chasing sticks. Pizza is my favorite food. Both of them make sense on their own. My dog loves chasing sticks. Pizza is my favorite food. They both make sense on their own, but they are not related to each other. They have nothing to do with each other. They are completely separate things. And because they're not about the same thing, my bridge breaks. And we can't use a semicolon. So we will try to fix this now. Let's take away pizza is my favorite food. Let's see if we can think of something that could replace that. That has something to do with my dog loves chasing sticks. How about he likes to chew them? Now I've got my dog loves chasing sticks. He likes to chew them. Yes, they make sense on their own. He likes to chew them. My dog loves chasing sticks. And they are related to each other. Now it is your turn. I've put an independent clause here. It's sunny outside with a semicolon. I want you to think of another clause that could be added here and would work with a semicolon bridge. Let me know your clauses in the comments below and I'll reply to anyone who comments with a clause. Good luck and see you next time.